Good afternoon, friends. Today I will show you the apple pie recipe.
For this you need the following ingredients: egg yolk 2 pieces, sugar 140 grams, butter 50 grams, milk 125 milliliters, wheat flour 180 grams, baking powder dough 4 grams, salt 1 pinch, apple medium 4 pieces.
Separate the yolks from the whites first. Beat the yolks with sugar until the sugar dissolves and the Massachusetts brightens. Melt the butter. Pour only half of the melted butter into the egg mixture, add the milk and stir. Add a pinch of salt, sifted flour and baking powder. Mix everything. The dough should be homogeneous, without lumps. Pour batter into baking dish. Peel the apples, remove the core, cut into quarters and then into slices. Lay the apple slices vertically in the dough, sinking them a little in the dough. In no particular order, but the more apples you have in the pie, the tastier. Drizzle the top of the cake with the remaining melted butter, half of which you have left. Sprinkle with sugar, 3 tablespoons, put in an oven preheated to 180 degrees for 35 minutes. Monitor the readiness of the pie in your oven. Ready. Let the cake cool down and enjoy your meal. Please subscribe to the channel. All the best to you.